Welcome back and good Tuesday morning, everyone. Today, kind of off to a warm start. Warmer than yesterday, at least. Temperatures are in the upper 50s and low 60s. Already 63 degrees in Great Falls this morning, 61 in Helena. Really didn't cool off this overnight last night as much as it did the previous night. Yesterday morning, it was a lot chillier out there. Today, not so much. Yesterday was a pretty warm afternoon, but today is going to be even hotter. Great Falls hit 90 degrees yesterday afternoon. Helena, not quite, just hit 89 for the official temperature, although some other areas around, they just measure one official temperature. So there could have been a couple of spots maybe that hit 90 degrees, but officially didn't hit 90 degrees yesterday. But today we most likely will. 90 for the high in Helena, 93 in Great Falls. Lots of areas in eastern Montana in the upper 90s for this afternoon. So it's going to be a pretty warm day today, even warmer than yesterday, although not quite any fire concerns just yet for today. There are a couple of red flag warnings just around Montana. In Idaho, parts of Washington and Oregon have red flag warnings for today, but Montana is in the clear for now. We do have a little bit of rainfall kind of moving through this morning. Southwestern Montana getting a little bit of rain this morning. That's going to continue to push northeast as the morning goes on and into the afternoon and evening. Already this morning, Cut Bank and areas along the High Line kind of getting a little bit of rainfall this morning. But north central Montana, for a large part, is not going to see much rainfall until the afternoon. So that's going to be moving in from our southwest, hitting Helena a little bit earlier than Great Falls. And you can see that moving through fairly quickly. Not bringing a whole lot of actual rainfall to the area. These are going to be pretty quick moving and not very wet thunderstorms, not very heavy precipitation coming our way this afternoon. Tonight, overnight into tomorrow morning, things will calm down, but tomorrow afternoon the wind will really be picking up. So you can see that wind coming from the west really picking up off the Rocky Mountain front earlier, but then the rest of the state is going to get much windier throughout the afternoon and evening tomorrow. We do have more elevated fire weather potential for tomorrow and Thursday. So you can see things are staying pretty dry for north central Montana tomorrow and into Thursday. We're going to stay pretty dry as well. Those winds picking up in the afternoon and evening yet again. In terms of this rainfall coming our way, I mentioned it's going to be very, very light precipitation, if at all. Could be a couple of showers. It's going to be scattered showers and thunderstorms, but really not bringing a whole lot of rainfall to the area. Really not going to be a huge amount of rain, but there is a chance that there could be a couple of sprinkles here and there. Not going to be super wet over the next couple of days. After today, we do have the chance for some thunderstorms developing, but after that, looks like we're going to be staying dry here through the end of the week into the weekend. Also staying pretty warm as well, although today looks like one of the warmer days of the week. Temperatures kind of cooling off slightly for Wednesday and Thursday, but we still are going to be pretty dry and sunny. So the temperatures may be dropping by a couple of degrees, but it is still going to be nice and warm out there all the way through the weekend into the beginning of next week. This is finally looking like a July forecast.
It really is. It's looking good, but as always, got to watch for that fire danger as well.
Yes.
All right. Thanks, Katie.